Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Hyper-Flo Air short riding gloves. The Hyper-Flo Air gloves retail for $39.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing first. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have on a 2X right now and it fits and feels as I would expect. That said, I would say these run true to size. If you're a medium, order a medium. Odds are you're going to get a good, comfortable fit. With this glove, we have a high airflow, short riding glove that offers a hybrid mix of goatskin leather and textile fabric, okay? So if you look at the palm, that's a full, genuine goat leather palm. Touchscreen compatible on the index finger as well as the thumb. Clarino overlays in the areas we're going to be touching the bars to help the glove last a little longer. For additional protection here in the palm, we've got a goatskin overlay, and this is the impact zone here, pinky area side of the palm. A little additional Clarino overlay here, cool screen print Cortech logo there. A little Neoprene cuff, TPR Velcro pull. For the thumb, this is a nice mesh panel here to protect you from abrasion and impact. We have these goatskin overlays with some memory foam underneath. Control fingers, tons of dexterity here. The fingers are tipped in the goatskin for protection. Little knuckle protectors there. High airflow mesh. In between the fingers, we have a spandex mesh. This really introduces a lot of air into the gloves. You have your hands out on the bars. They're in the wind. It just drives the air in the glove. Really works to keep you cool and comfortable. We've got a knuckle protector here, right? It's got a little flexibility to it. This is a tunnel system. Some memory foam behind that. So when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of it pulling on the whole glove, it can just kind of move with you. Little TPR detail here for the back of the hand. Nice mesh panel for airflow. You can see, once again, that neoprene cuff here. Excellent glove, great price point. Cortech really did a great job with their 2020 summer sport bike release. Okay, the quality's great, the products look nice, they wear nice, and the price points are really solid. If you have any questions about this glove, please leave those in the comments section of the video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you all out.